Paano ba maging fluent sa English para sa call center? Hi, I'm Coach Nick and I'm a call center agent for more than 10 years. By the way guys, kung gusto nyo maging isang call center agent kahit na hindi ka magaling mag-English, I have an ebook called the No English Call Center Agent. And inside this ebook is you'll see all the complete steps kung paano maging isang call center agent kahit na hindi ka magaling mag-English, wala kang confidence, at kahit na wala kang work experience. Just message me the word ebook on my Facebook page. There's a link down on the description box below. And let's start. So, noong nagsisimula po ako dati sa call center journey ko, is hindi rin po ako magaling mag-English kagaya mo. Wala akong self-confidence, wala akong idea kung ano yung call center na yan. Subalit hindi ko ito ginawang hadlang para hindi maging isang call center agent. Nag-aaral po ako mag-English everyday, nag-practice po ako mag-English. I know it was not an easy journey, but it was a very rewarding one. And I know na kayang-kaya mo rin yan. And here is my very first simple tip kung paano maging fluent mag-English. And that is to introduce yourself. So just follow this simple format lang po on how to introduce yourself. First, say your name. Then where are you from? Your highest educational attainment and school. What's your favorite hobby? And always end your answer with "that is all." Let me give you an example answer. Hi, my name is Nick. I'm from Hinubaan, Negros Occidental. I took up Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics from Silliman University. My favorite hobby is reading books. That is all. Now, I highly recommend po you practice this 3 times a day, and when you're practicing it, focus on speaking slow, speak loud, and speak clearly. And just use simple English words kung nag-uumpisa ka pala. So once again guys, if you want to have a complete simple guide, simple steps kung paano maging isang call center agent kahit na hindi ka magaling mag-English, just message me the word ebook on my Facebook page. There's a link down on the description box below so I can send you my ebook. And see you on my next videos.